Krop Online Job Platform Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our Krop Online Job Platform Review. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Krop, its features, usability, and who it's best suited for. If you're a creative professional looking for job opportunities or a company searching for top-tier talent, this platform may be the right fit. Links to Krop are included in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Krop is a premium job board and portfolio hosting platform tailored for creative professionals in fields like graphic design, photography, UX, UI, web development, and advertising. It serves as a two-in-one solution, allowing users to not only apply for jobs, but also showcase their work through online portfolios. The platform is widely used by leading brands, agencies, and design studios, making it a great option for high-quality job postings. Some well-known companies, including Apple, Facebook, and ESPN, have recruited talent through Krop. The job search functionality is straightforward. Users can browse job listings by keyword, category, and location, filtering through freelance, part-time, and full-time opportunities. Unlike mass-market job boards, Krop is highly specialized, featuring only creative and design-related roles. So there's less clutter and more relevant job matches. Job seekers can create a personalized portfolio directly on Krop, which serves as an online resume and showcase of their best work. This gives candidates an edge when applying for visually driven roles. For employers, Krop offers a streamlined way to post jobs and browse curated portfolios. Companies looking to hire can access a database of pre-screened creative professionals, making recruitment more efficient. However, while Krop excels in niche job listings, it doesn't have the volume of postings found on larger platforms like LinkedIn or Indeed. It's best used alongside other job search tools to maximize opportunities. Overall, Krop is an excellent platform for creatives who want to find specialized job opportunities while showcasing their portfolios in a professional way. If you're in design, marketing, or media, it's definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description for more details, and best of luck with your job search.